So I asked a bunch of DJs on my Instagram to tell me how they're making money during the pandemic. What I'm gonna do is create a bunch of videos to help you DJs out, to help you try and find different ways of income to help you during this bad time we're facing as DJs. Let's get into it. What's going on, people? I go by the name of DJ CB and I help bedroom DJs transition over to a club DJ. If you like the sound of that, make sure you're hitting that subscriber button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. If you've just subscribed, write I subscribe in the comments down below and I'll reply back instantly. Let's get into it. So DJ Switch replied back to the question that he's writing CVs and letters for other people. Obviously during this time, people have lost their jobs and they're trying to find other jobs. So if you can help people try and write up their CV, because some people don't actually know how to write a CV. It's been so long. So if you can help them write up their CV and make some money from it, it's a win-win. And also you can do this from home. All you need to do, you can go on sites like Fiverr or Upwork and write, I will create you a CV or I will create you a letter, anything like that. And people will come to you and pay you money for you to write them a CV. So DJ Switch is doing a great thing right now because he knows he can make money from helping other people and he can do it from the comfort of his own home. So make sure that you guys are heading over to Fiverr and signing up to the seller's site and selling your skills online. You can do loads of different things on Fiverr. One thing that I've got on Fiverr is my DJ drops. People pay me £10 and I'll record 5 DJ drops for them and send them straight to them. It's as simple as that. So make sure that you go check out fiverr.com. The next person to answer on my question was Raymond DJ. He put editing, day laboring, and deliveries. If you head over to Raymond's editor site right now, he has been doing some sick work. Honestly, like during the pandemic, I've just seen Raymond uploading edits and they're getting better and better every single time. So I'm gonna leave the link to Raymond's editor page right now and I'm gonna show you some of his edits on the screen right now. Also, I've seen him doing a lot of day laboring on his Instagram story. He's been posting a load of stuff of him doing a lot of building. And if you need to get some money doing day laboring, people do it. People need stuff building. So that's a good way for you to make some money as a DJ. Also, he put deliveries. I've heard a lot of stuff about Amazon Flex. I don't know too much about it, but I think what people said is you can do deliveries for Amazon and you can do it on your own hours. So obviously if you've got a car, you can sign up to Amazon Flex and you can go deliver packages for Amazon. It's as simple as that. Get Jeff Bezos to pay you some money, man. That guy's making so much money, so get him to pay you to do some deliveries. It's as simple as that. You got a shout out to Raymond. He was one of the DJs that was a full-time DJ and now he hasn't got any money coming in from DJing, so he's doing his editing, day laboring, and his deliveries. So he's gone out there and he's making that money because he knows he's got bills to pay, people to support. He's gone out there and got these 3 different ways of getting income. DJs, take a leaf out of Raymond's book and try and do some stuff. He's doing editing, he's got his editing skills, so he's using them skills to his advantage. If you have any skills in the locker, make sure you're using these to your advantage to make some money during this pandemic. Before we get on to the next point, make sure you tap that like button down below. You tapping that like button and turning it blue will actually help me get this video out to more people. It helps out the YouTube algorithm, it'll get out to more people, and it'll boost this video up and help me get my channel out to more people. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set a target for this video. Let's try and get 20 likes for this video. Just tap that little like button down below and let's get on to the next point. DJ Flex has video editing and photo shoots. Like Raymond before, this is a great way to make some money. You have skills like video editing and taking photos, use them to your advantage. If you've got a camera at home, you can say to people that, oh, I'll take a photo shoot for you, I'll do this for you. If you've got Final Cut Pro at home, people need videos editing for them. Some people don't have the skills to do it, but you do. If you have the skills to do this, why don't you take advantage of this and start reaching out to people that need video editing and then try and make some money from that. During this time, you cannot pass up opportunities to make money. So if you've got the skills, make sure you're taking this opportunity and try to make some money. The next one is Just Jack and he says, OnlyFans. If you want to do OnlyFans, do it. You know what, actually, OnlyFans is a weird website. Obviously, there's a whole load of madness going on there, but you know what? People are actually selling their photos of their feet. If you want to make an OnlyFans page, you just do it, yeah? Sign up and get people to subscribe to you. If you want to go do some naked business, do that. If you want to sell photos of your feet, do that. If you want to do any whole sort of madness, jump on OnlyFans. I'll leave the link down in the description if you want to sign up to OnlyFans. But yeah, that is a way to make money. There's people making millions of pounds on OnlyFans. So if you've got the skills to make an OnlyFans account and make some money, do it. So the next way someone else is making money is engineering at studio sessions. There's still people making a load of music, a load of bangers in these studios, so you can be an engineer in these studio sessions if you have the skills and you have the connections. If you have some friends that are making music, you can go up there and be like, oh, do you mind if I do some engineering? I don't know too much about that side of the industry, but it's as simple as that. If you have access and you know the right people, try and make some money this way. DJs, we're going through a hard time right now, so if you can find different ways to make money, make sure you're doing it. If you have any other ways to make money, leave them down in the comments down below. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscriber button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at DJC_B. I post there regularly. I normally post my DJ routines on there, so make sure you follow me up. I'll go by the name of DJ CB, and we're out.